Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Meet the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
The Tosai Tancho Kohaku is famous for the single red spot on its head.
This pattern resembles the Japanese flag and the sacred Tancho crane. Tosai means the fish is just 1 year old.
At this age, the Tosai Tancho Kohaku is small and full of potential. Choosing a Tosai Tancho Kohaku is an art form.
The red spot, or high, should be perfectly round. Other shapes like hearts or diamonds are unique, but circles are classic.
The spot must be centered between the eyes of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
The body of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku must be snow white.
There should be no other red spots on the body of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
If it has black spots, it is not a Tancho Kohaku. Look for a Tosai Tancho Kohaku that swims actively and straight. The eyes of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku should be clear and bright. With Tosai, you are buying the future potential of the fish.
The Tosai Tancho Kohaku needs high-quality food to grow.
Feed the Tosai Tancho Kohaku protein-rich food for body structure.
Be careful with color food. Too much can stain the white skin of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
A gentle current helps the Tosai Tancho Kohaku build muscle.
Tosai are sensitive. Keep the temperature stable.
If the Tosai Tancho Kohaku hides, check your water quality.
Shiroji is the Japanese term for the white skin of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
The shiroji should look like fine porcelain.
The red spot may expand as the Tosai Tancho Kohaku grows.
Give the Tosai Tancho Kohaku plenty of space to reach its potential.
Blue background makes the white of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku pop.
Tosai can be trained to hand feed.
Tosai have weaker immune systems than older koi.
Always quarantine in a new Tosai Tancho Kohaku before adding to the pond.
Check the pectoral fins. They should be symmetrical. The fins should be pure white, like angel wings. Foraging is a natural behavior for the Tosai Tancho Kohaku. Kiwa is the sharpness of the red spot's edge.
A blurry edge reduces the value of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
This simple pattern has captivated hobbyists for decades.
A school of Tancho looks like floating lanterns.
Clean water ensures the white skin stays bright.
Add Adding clay minerals helps the skin quality of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku. Ensure the Tosai Tancho Kohaku gets rest at night. Avoid thin, snake-like bodies. Choose a robust Tosai Tancho Kohaku. The backbone of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku must be perfectly straight.
Any curve in the spine is a defect.
Oxygen is vital for the growth of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
Tosai are typically sold in the spring season.
Handle the Tosai Tancho Kohaku with extreme care.
A sock net prevents damage to the delicate scales.
Inspect the Tosai Tancho Kohaku in a blue bowl before buying.
Don't just look at the present. Look for the future.
The red should be deep and thick, not orange.
Sashi is where the red scale slides under the white.
On a Tosai, a little sashi is okay. It means the red is still growing. Energy reflects health. Pick the energetic Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
Transport stress can fade the red spot temporarily.
Don't worry. With good care, the red will return.
Spirulina can boost the red, but watch the white.
If the white turns yellow, stop color feeding immediately.
Refresh the water to refresh the white skin.
Acclimate the Tosai Tancho Kohaku slowly to new water.
Float the bag for 20 minutes before releasing the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
Welcome home, little flag.
Be careful keeping Tosai with very large koi.
Ensure the Tosai Tancho Kohaku gets enough food.
Spread the food so the Tosai Tancho Kohaku can eat. In the first year, the Tosai Tancho Kohaku grows rapidly. Measure your Tosai Tancho Kohaku monthly to track progress.
It is hard to sex a Tosai Tancho Kohaku at this age.
Females tend to have wider bodies, but at Tosai stage, it's a guess.
The luster of the skin is a sign of quality.
Next year, your Tosai will become a Nisai.
Sometimes, the red spot has a unique artistic shape.
Red lips are cute, but considered a flaw in Tancho. Ideally, the mouth should be pure white.
The elegance of the Tosai Tancho Kohaku brings peace.
A perfect round spot commands a higher price.
An oval spot is affordable and still beautiful.
They look stunning in a dark garden pond.
Protect your small Tosai Tancho Kohaku from birds.
A net cover keeps the Tosai Tancho Kohaku safe. In winter, the Tosai Tancho Kohaku slows down.
Sign. Stop feeding if the water gets too cold.
Stop feeding if the water gets too cold.
Spring is the season of new growth for the Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
Regular health checks are vital.
Use a microscope to identify parasites early.
Salt baths can help with minor issues.
Red on white on blue. A visual masterpiece.
The flow of water mimics their natural river ancestors.
Raising a Tosai Tancho Kohaku is a journey.
Build a bond with your live-in jewel.
A nice, rounded body shape is the goal.
White body. Red sun. The Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
Start your koi collection with a Tosai Tancho Kohaku.
Elegance in every turn.
Remember, quality food makes a quality koi fish.
Create your own underwater masterpiece.
If you love koi, like, share, and subscribe.
Hit the bell for more koi keeping tips.
Is Tancho your favorite pattern? Comment below.
This is the Aquatic Lie.
Happy koi keeping!